Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on wherever you are in this planet Earth. With me here, it is in the evening. As you can see the lights in the workshop. With my friend here, Mr. Ashish from Bangladesh. Well, the moment you receive this VFD, it will appear 00. This one's already a program. These two are programmed. This one is not programmed. The VFD LS iG5A. You're going to note that the fan will start, the internal fan. We power it up, the internal fan will start running immediately. So what do? You go to H77 so that you can stop the internal fan from running. If at all the VFD is not running, what's the use of the fan running continuously? There's no use. So the VFD has to run in case the internal fan has to run in case the VFD is working. Like at the moment the VFD is dormant, doing nothing. So there's no use of running the internal fan. So you go H77, you select one, and the internal fan will stop. Will stop immediately. So that is for the fan. We're going to discuss other basic programs. This VFD has got 4 groups. There's one group, you can scroll down just like that. You can scroll down. There you have the current. You can set your current there. That's where you can read the current. That's where you can read the current. That is preset speed 3, preset speed 2, preset speed 1, and that is the frequency. For the frequency, we set this on FRQ, we set 3. That's the drive, deceleration, acceleration, and then the other groups you can enter is I, H, and F. Okay, so there are basic things that we are going to discuss in this program. So we start from the first group, which is you'll see 00. So you go direct. It will depend whichever speed you want you are running. In this case, that one is 10. For the drive, you're supposed to set 1. Deceleration, normally I usually set 30 seconds. You can either start scrolling or start programming up, but it is tedious like that, yeah. So what do? To go very fast, the 30 seconds, you can see this last 0 is the one which is highlighted more than the other 2. So you select by this arrow, then you can, now this number 1, which is the one which is highlighted more than the other 2, can go up very fast, and you press twice. If you press 1, it will continue blanking. So that is the acceleration. Now we go to the deceleration. The deceleration, you can choose just to press like that. It will take more time. So what do? You can go here. You can press this side. You highlight that one more, or you highlight this one more. So then you increase. You can even choose to go more further. 0, 29, 30 seconds. See, it is blinking, not unless you press twice. So now where do we go? We go to the other 3 groups. We go to F. F, you have several things to set here in F. F, we have the frequencies here. F, we shall find the frequencies. Okay, we go to F20. F20 is the jog. This jog is set at 10, but in this case, my wiring, I'm using jog as my constant speed. So I set it at 50. I set twice. Then you go F21. F21, in this case UAE, our frequency is 50. Press twice. Then where do we go? Then we go group H. Group H. So just a few. It's just basic program. Exit. Again, you go from this side H. Or even you can go from this side, H. Now we shall go up to H30. In our case, H30 is the kilowatt. What is our kilowatt in this case? Our kilowatt, we don't have the motor with us, so we are going to keep it as it is. So once the panel goes to site, we shall have the motor there, then we shall program there from site. Yeah? So we keep it as it is. We go 33. 33 is the ampere rating. The ampere rating also at the moment, we don't have the motor with us. So what do? We just keep as it is. So we go 39. So that is just the most basic thing you can. But in case you want to reset back to factory setting, in case you have a problem and you want to set back to factory setting, what do? You go to H93. H93, at the moment it is 0. Go 1. Press twice. Now you have gone back to factory setting, and that's why the motor has started to run once again. So I think that is enough for the basic program of the LS VFD. Okay, thank you.